consequence to this is that homeowners, individual homeowners, have seen their property tax bills skyrocket from 30 to over 100%. Chicago tax burden has shifted to homeowners as, as business. We've talked about businesses leaving these cities. Businesses are leaving the cities, and the property taxes from those buildings that are now empty and worthless they're not collecting enough revenue. And so, we've got the values in the loop plunge. So the community, they're pleading for these billionaires who have left to come back. Please come back to Chicago.
So we can tax you.
So we can tax you. Literally what they're saying. Come back so we can take your money. But there's a consequence to this. The consequence to this is that homeowners, individual homeowners, have seen their property tax bills skyrocket from 30 to over 100%. They're literally burning their tax bills in protest. They're putting their tax bills into a bonfire, as you can see here, and burning their tax bills in protest because they went from 30% to 100%. If you paid $1,000 last year in property tax, this year you might be paying $2,000. It's insane.
And California is taxed to death in every area, but these people were prescient enough years ago to limit the amount of property tax that homeowners would have to pay so that this kind of thing couldn't happen in California. And then all of a sudden, that widow with no income whatsoever other than Social Security would not even be able to pay her property tax bill, much less put food on her table or turn the air conditioning on in the summer.
Yeah, this is exactly why we passed Prop 13. This is the exact reason.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, and so I think we should be thankful that our future selves passed Prop 13.